Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on the best higher high lower low indicator for MetaTrader 4. If you are looking to simplify your technical analysis, then you are in the right place. Meanwhile, if you've ever struggled with identifying trends, or maybe you're a beginner looking for a good way to spot key price points, then this indicator is going to be your new best friend, right? So make sure you stick around for the whole video, because I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works and why it is a nice addition to your trading toolkit. Now, before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button if you find the content helpful. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth trading tips and strategies, okay? Now, let us get started. Let's just break down the best higher high, lower low indicator and why it matters. I'm going to add indicator on the chart to the chart right now. It's a custom indicator, so you will have to download it from an external site, and of course, add it to your indicators folder, after which you would have to restart your terminal. Now, the goal of this indicator is to help you quickly identify higher highs and lower lows directly on your MetaTrader 4 chart. Can you see that after adding the indicator, it has automatically identified HH levels, HL levels, LH levels, and LL levels for us on the chart? So if you have been trading for a while, you know that identifying trends is crucial to making successful trades, okay? But if you are just starting out, or if you are looking for a way to reduce the time spent analyzing the charts, this indicator is going to make your life a lot easier, right? Now, the best higher highs and the best higher high and higher low indicator, as you can see, makes identifying trends quite easier. It tells you when lower highs and lower lows are being formed. It tells you when higher highs and higher lows are being formed. Okay, quite simple. Okay, now you can see that the higher highs are marked in blue on your chart. The higher highs are the HH, the HH levels. Okay, HH represents higher highs, right? And the lower lows are marked in red. As you can see, LL represents lower lows. Okay, now the higher highs are marked in blue, the lower lows are marked in red. Okay, so it's quite simple, right? But don't let the simplicity fool you. This indicator is packed with value. By visually highlighting these price points, you'll instantly know if the market is making an upward move, which are higher highs and higher lows, like what we can see happening here, right? At this point, we're actually having higher highs and higher lows, and the indicator told us about that HHHL, 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 right? So you're going to know instantly, when you're having higher highs and higher lows, and also when you're having lower lows and lower highs, okay? So that allows you to trade in the right direction. For those of you who might not be familiar with the concept, here's a quick refresher. A higher high is formed when the price closes above the previous high. Now we can see that this was a high, right? Now we can see that the next time that the price closed, right, it was higher than the previous, and then the next time the price closed, the swing, right, the next swing was higher than the previous as well. So those are higher highs, right? And then as for the swing lows, you can see that this was a swing low, and the next one was actually higher than the previous, and so on. Okay, on the other hand, lower highs and lower lows, they're formed when let's look for a very good example. Okay, these are lower highs and lower lows. So the highs, when the highs are the swing highs, keep forming lower than the previous. For example, you can see that this was a high, and then we can see that the next time that a new high formed was lower than the previous, and the next one that formed was lower than the previous, and so on. Same with the lows. You can see the next swing low that formed was lower than the previous. So that is how it works. These price points are essential in determining the market's direction, but they can sometimes be hard to spot, especially in a fast moving market. So that is where this indicator steps in. Okay, so when you apply the best higher high, lower low indicator, you'll see that the chart automatically highlights those higher highs and higher lows, and lower highs and lower lows, right? This makes it incredibly easy to see whether the market is trending upwards or downwards at any given moment. So let's say you are looking at the chart and you notice that the price just made a higher high, right? Or a lower low, depending on the prevailing condition. With this indicator, you don't have to manually search for it. Okay, so you just have to, get a good entry point and execute your trade in the direction of the trend. Now, if you are a beginner, I know how overwhelming Forex trading can be at first. There's a lot to keep track of: price patterns, support and resistance levels, candlestick formations, and of course, trends. It can be easy to get lost in the details and miss key trend signals. That's why the best higher high, lower low indicator is perfect for you. Okay, it simplifies the entire process. Instead of spending hours on the charts trying to figure out if the market is in an uptrend or downtrend, the indicator does the hard work for you. Because when you have a series of higher highs and higher lows, automatically it means that that's a buy trend. And when you have a series of lower highs and lower lows, automatically it means that that's a sell trend. Okay, so that saves you time and helps you to focus on other important aspects of your trading strategy. So whether you are trading with a trend following system, or maybe you were looking to refine your strategy, this indicator allows you to quickly determine the trend's direction with just a glance. And if you are an experienced trader, maybe you're looking for ways to streamline your trading, this indicator still has a lot of value. Even if you are a seasoned trader, the last thing you want is to spend endless hours staring at your screen, right, trying to analyze price movement. So this indicator reduces your screen time by highlighting the key price points that you need to focus on, okay, which are the high highs and the lower lows, so that you can make decisions faster. Okay, so if you are using this indicator in your strategy, the goal is simple: just trade in the direction of the trend. It's as easy as that. When you see a series of higher highs, just know that the market is trending up, like what we can see here. And in that case, you should be looking for buying opportunities. Conversely, when you see a series of lower lows, the market is trending down, and it may be time to consider selling or taking other actions depending on your strategy. So this indicator helps you frame your buyers quickly. The market does not always move in straight lines, but with this indicator, you can identify the bigger picture without getting caught in the noise. And with the higher highs in blue and the lower lows in red, you'll be able to easily spot trend reversals or confirm that the trend is continuing, making your decisions faster and more confident. All right, so now you know how the best higher high, lower low indicator for MetaTrader 4 works and how it can help you simplify your trading. Whether you're just getting started in Forex or you've been trading for a while, this tool can enhance your technical analysis. All right, and it can save you a ton of time. Remember, the key to successful trading is not about making every trade perfectly, but about having the right tools to make the process easier and more efficient. This indicator is definitely one of the tools that you can consider having in your trading toolkit in order to help you to more confidence and clarity. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tips and tools. And as always, if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.